Today we will learn how to use quadratic graphs to solve quadratic functions. This is a very simple technique and a very important one. For example, we are required to draw the graph of y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 1 for x ranging between -2 and 4, and then use it to solve the two equations. The first one, 0 equals to x squared minus 2x minus 1, and the next one, 0 equals to x squared minus 2x minus 5. In our previous lesson, we learned how to draw the graph. However, today we shall still draw the graph and use it to approximate the solution to the given equations. The first thing is to draw the graph y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 1. On to our table. The first column, we have xy. The equation that we are going to use to fill the table is y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 1. Our first value of x is -2. So we substitute -2 in the equation to give us 7. On to the next value of x, which is -1. Substituting -1 into the equation gives us 2. Then substituting 0 in the equation, we get -1. Next one is 1. We substitute to give us -2. Then 2 gives us -1. We therefore next substitute 3 to give us 2, and finally substituting 4 shall give us 7. So therefore we obtain the following points from that table: -2, 7, -1, 2, 0, -1, 1, -2, 2, -1, 3, 2, and 4, 7. We move on to the graph. We have to draw the x and y axis as shown. Then we apply a suitable scale on the two axes. Then we begin plotting. Our first point is -2, 7. The next is -1, 2, 0, -1, 1, -2, 2, -1, 3, 2, and finally 4, 7. The next thing is to join the points to give us a smooth curve. Then we write the equation of that curve. Since we are done with drawing the graph, the next item is now using this curve to solve the given equations. And our first question was, use the graph to solve or to find the solution to the equation 0 equals to x squared minus 2x minus 1. So we are going to get the difference between the two, which is going to be y equals to 0. Y equals to 0 is fortunately the x-axis. Therefore, going back to our graph, we will simply find the points at which the curve cuts the x-axis, which is going to give us the roots of this curve. And therefore, the solution is x equals to 0.4 or x equals to 2.4. The next part of the question is, use the graph to solve x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Again, we will get the difference, and the difference is y equals to 4. We move back to our graph and draw the line y equals to 4. Then the point of intersection between y equals to 4 and y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 1 will give us the solution. And that is x equals to -1.5 or x equals to 3.5. Your work to do: